In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter AI in just 5 minutes. Otter AI is an incredible tool for transcribing audio and generating text from spoken words. It's especially handy for those who often deal with meetings, lectures, or interviews. So let's get started on this quick and easy journey into the world of Otter AI. First, you'll want to navigate to the Otter AI website by simply entering otter.ai into your web browser's address bar and pressing enter. Once the page loads, you're on your way to unlocking a powerful transcription tool. You'll notice the homepage has a clean design, making it quite welcoming and easy to navigate, even for first-time users. Now, the next step is to sign up. You can register using your Google or Apple account for ease, but if you prefer, you can also sign up with an email address. Just follow the prompts provided, and within moments, you'll have your very own account ready to go. If you're using Google or Apple, Otter AI quickly links your account, saving you from remembering another password. With your account set up, it's time to dive into the settings. Open up your settings menu, where you can adjust various preferences to tailor Otter AI to your liking. This might include choosing your preferred language, setting search preferences, or adjusting notification settings, all of which help in making Otter AI work more efficiently for you. Once you've set your preferences, you get to the fun part, recording. Simply tap the record button. As you do this, make sure to speak clearly, ensuring that your words are concise and easy for the software to understand. Also, be mindful of your surroundings. Try to avoid areas with heavy background noise that might interfere with the clarity of the transcription. When you've finished your recording, you've got two options. You can either pause or stop the recording. If you need a break, pausing is a great option that allows you to continue where you left off. However, if you're done, stop the recording to wrap things up. Moving on, Otter AI isn't just about live recordings. You can also upload existing audio or video files for transcription. This feature is particularly useful for dealing with pre-recorded meetings or lectures, offering you flexibility and convenience in managing your workload. For those who participate in live meetings, Otter AI can also be your virtual assistant by transcribing the meeting in real time. This makes it easy to stay engaged without scrambling to take notes. After your transcription is ready, you might want to review and edit the transcript. It's a simple process that allows you to correct any errors and ensure accuracy before you share or store your texts. Finally, you'll want to export your finalized work. Otter AI gives you multiple options for exporting, whether you need a PDF, Word document, or text file, making it highly adaptable to your needs. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've mastered Otter AI. It's an invaluable tool for anyone needing efficient, accurate transcription services. Enjoy the ease and productivity that comes with it.